Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Berkheimer tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hab-inc.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for your Berkheimer tax account. Now from the home page, scroll all the way down and underneath e-file and e-services, click on electronic service. Now from this page, scroll down and then click on e-file for individuals or your respective account. You will then be taken into the login portal within which you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then enter your account password within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Berkheimer tax account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Reset Password link that you see underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your tax account on the Berkheimer website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.